Hey Siri, I'm arriving home. Hey Siri, play my favourite song. From the moment I arrive, my home is ready for me. Everything is managed in one app. Lighting, air conditioning, multi-room audio, it all happens with a single tap or a voice command. Hey Siri, turn on the bar lights. Hey Siri, close the blinds. And the true benefit of smart living is that you don't have to walk through the whole house to close the blinds or to switch off the lights. It all happens with a voice command or the tap of a screen. Siri, good night.